If you are not ready for today's episode, then get ready. Because this is the POV of bikers fighting back.
Are you not looking? Your mirror.
This frustrated driver refused to yield to a cyclist at the roundabout, and what seemed like a minor incident quickly escalated into a major confrontation. Take a look. Watch how two bikers confront a reckless driver. One of them completely loses his cool. Don't miss this wild moment caught on camera.
Pourquoi tu jettes? Pourquoi tu jettes ta canette? Qu'est-ce qu'il y a?
This biker was just minding his own business, enjoying the ride, when out of nowhere someone threw something at him. Furious, he stopped to confront the situation, but things almost took a very dangerous turn. Take a look.
Lambo? Tu fais quoi là? Qu'est-ce que tu fais? Qu'est-ce que tu fais? Pourquoi tu jettes? Hein? Pourquoi tu jettes? Pourquoi tu jettes ta canette? Qu'est-ce qu'il y a? Vas-y, bouge, casse-toi, casse-toi. Casse-toi. Vas-y, casse-toi. Oui, you. Oh. Qu'est-ce que tu fais, toi? Viens là, viens.
And just when it couldn't get any crazier, it did.
Tu fais? Tu fais quoi?
When the biker saw the knife, he immediately bolted to his bike and sped away. What do you think of this wild video? A reckless driver suddenly cut off the biker, almost hitting him. Thankfully, the biker's quick reflexes saved him. Curious and upset, he followed the car, only to realize it was a woman driving.
You almost killed me!
Look to the right!
You almost killed me! I was in my lane!
Look to the right!
Why should I look on the left? You cut me off! You stupid!
What's with that bullshit? I'm good. What's with that bullshit? You could have killed me there. You don't give a fuck. Hey.
I do.
You would end up with a little dent. I would have been just be careful.
I've been in a bad accident.
So you know how I feel.
I do.
Dum.
Oh, sorry, man.
No problem. Just be careful.
What
Really, nigga?
This clip is wild. Watch how these bikers react to a careless driver who really pushed them over the edge.
¿Y vos que me tiraste de encima? ¿Y vos que me tiraste de encima? Vení, pelotudo, vení. ¿Te haces el canchero? ¿Andás tirando la moto encima? ¿Me andás tirando la moto encima? No para eso.
This biker was confronted by a man who refused to leave his bike alone, even after being asked multiple times. Watch how the situation quickly escalates.
Show me how to whip it, bro.
Stop touching my bike, man.
Stop, come on.
No. Catch one or what? You ain't worth it.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
I'm saying once. She's 20. She's 20. Bro, take.
The woman wasn't impressed by the biker's wheelie, so she threw a cigarette at him and actually hit him in the eye. These bikers were nearly hit by a careless driver. They pulled over, and what happened next was absolutely wild. Take a look.
Y tú no tienes cabeza.
Pero es que no es normal. Es que no tener cabezas, es que podía meterme perfectamente. No puedes coger y tirarme al suelo si
Yo no te
quieres.
tiré al suelo, tú seguías ahí por el carril contrario en medio de la puta
¿Qué
curva.
carril contrario si estaba ya en mi
Estabas
carril?
en el carril
Estaba
contrario.
ya en mi puto carril. Y
¿Tú
tú
te
coges
crees?
y me das, casi me tiras al suelo.
Llama a la policía.
La policía vas tú que me has hecho casi que me tiras al suelo.
¿Tenías sitio para meterte? ¿Dónde te has quedado?
Me podían...
En el carril contrario.
No me he metido y después
No
me
te
has
has
dado
metido,
tú.
yo no te he dado. ¿Dónde te he dado?
Me
En la
cago en
pierna.
la puta que me has
En
reventado
la
el pie.
pierna, ¿no? ¿Por qué? Porque ¿dónde coño estabas?
Pero si estaba ya en mi
¿Dónde
carril.
coño estabas?
Si he mirado para atrás y estabas tú en el arcén. ¿Cómo
Piensa-
que dónde estabas? Si
piensa-
estabas tú en el arcén es porque estaba yo en mi carril. A mí no me toques.
No me toques.
No, a mí no me toques
Vas a
tú.
acabar mal. Llama a la policía. Antes de adelantar, tienes que saber lo que tienes que hacer. Y no tienes ni puta idea de lo que has hecho. Vais como
Adelantar,
puta cabra.
adelantar, punto.
No, adelantar punto no.
No he hecho nada
Ibas
malo
por
a
medio de la
nadie.
puta curva,
Nada
en
malo a nadie.
contradirección.
No he hecho nada malo a nadie. Tú sí.
¿Yo sí?
Sí, que casi me tiras.
Vale,
Eso es lo que has hecho.
Sí, claro.
Eso es lo que has
Claro,
hecho.
es lo que he hecho porque te has puesto en medio.
Que no toques, que te estoy grabando, Te estoy grabando, Como tú le has empujado a él, ¿vale? Has sido el primero que le ha tocado a él, pero él no te ha
Muy
tocado en
bien,
ningún momento,
que
¿vale?
llevo la cámara.
Mira lo que estás haciendo.
Sí, que casi me tiras al suelo. Es normal.
¿Qué has adelantado? ¿Cómo has adelantado?
No. Oye, te estás pasando. Hay quien todo tiene un límite.
¿Estás bien?
Sí, tío.
Está roto el de esto,
Ya, da igual.
This is what it looks like when your day goes from bad to worse. The biker tried to toss a plastic bottle into a bin, but accidentally hit a driver instead.
Rain do I have on my camera? Jeez. Okay, one for the money. And 3, 2, 1. Oh!
Hit my car.
Dude, I'm so sorry. Did I damage it?
Are you serious?
I'm so sorry, man.
Walk up and put it in the trash.
It was just an accident, man. Relax. It was just an accident, okay? Chillax, bro. Dude, that guy is seriously not having it. Like, accidents happen. What the hell, man? Anyways, I'm not gonna piss anybody off. It's raining. I'm tired. I just want to go home. Seriously, this guy right here, though. Dude, let me out. Bro, seriously? Dude, are you serious? Dude, seriously, what is that guy's problem, man? I'm not having this today. People following me? Dude! Bro, I got a mailman in front of me. Can you give me some freaking room, dude? Oh, God, seriously. Oh, God! Seriously! Dude, is everyone just out to kill me today? What is happening? Dude, are you serious right now? I should have done a damn burnout on his Durango right there. Dude, bro. Dude, are you freaking serious? I'm not stopping. Dude, are you serious? Is he seriously honking at me? I can't even see the goddamn thing in my... Dude, I'm not having this right now. Dude, are you serious right now? You're nearly...
I seen what the did over there at the gas station, bro.
Dude, are you serious right now?
Are you serious? No, get off the bike. Get the bike.
Dude, are you serious right now?
Bike.
Bro, I'm telling you, back up, dude. It's not worth your life, dude. I'm telling you. Dude. Dude. I'm not joking, dude. Bro, what do you got, dude? I'm telling you right now. Dude, my hand's ready, man. Don't do it, dude. I'm telling you. Oh, shit. You want to go? You didn't think I didn't come prepared either?
The van driver made a dangerously close pass on the biker. And if you think this is just another close call, think again. Stay tuned till the end.
Give me more distance, dude! What the are you doing? Come over to this lane and pass me
in the middle of the road.
with a full fucking lane. You gave me this space.
You need to learn how to ride the road, bro.
I got a card that explains the law. I am allowed to ride on the road.
I don't want nothing
You're
from
required to give me 3 feet when you pass me.
Dude, you're riding in the middle of the road on a bike,
I was
bro.
on the side of the road.
Lane driving.
I was on the right tread, you dumb.
I'm working, bro.
So if you're working, that like kinda gives you the right to try and run someone over.
I was on the right tire.
Weird
It does not matter if you're working. That does not give you an excuse.
Leave me
to
alone,
break the
bro. Get away
law.
from me. Back up. I'm not
Do
breaking
not
the law.
break the law.
Dude, I'm not breaking the law.
did.
You're the one riding in the middle of the road, bro.
I was on the right tire tread.
Get the away from me.
Right
Get out my
tire
face!
tread.
Do something! Get out my face!
Tire tread, dude. Take this.
I don't want that, bro. Where's your license plate at?
I don't have a plate. It's a bicycle, you
Then why are you on the road?
Because I have the legal right to be on the road.
Get away from me, man.
Go.
Bro, you need to take your litter. You need to put it back where your stuff is, okay? And you need to leave me alone. You're harassing me, bro, and I don't like it. I don't want
You can find the video online, dude.
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster.
mortacci tua, va te di quella cazzo di macchina di merda! Sì, tanto vero, ok sto cazzo, io devo frenare quando tu hai la destra occupata, accosta, ho la telecamera accesa, cosa voglio, almeno chiedi scusa. Porco Dio, te e questi cazzo di macchinoni di merda che vi comprate! E allora che cazzo me ne frega, a maggior ragione guarda lo specchietto, coglione!